Where is my bride Emma? Have you seen Emma?
I can't wait to see my future husband.
Hold on!
Oh no!
Tell me, what happened?
We need to move fast.
Emma, I'm here! Is she going to be okay?
She's in a coma. Her condition is very serious.
No! Emma, no! Just like I always did for both of us. Yours is ready, Emma. One day we'll eat together again. Who could that be? Why are you here?
I love you. I want to be with you.
I have got a fiancée. We love each other.
You have to face it. She's almost dead.
How dare you say that? Get out!
You'll see. I was right all along.
Who's calling me now? Hello? Yes, this is me.
There's good news and bad news. Which one do you want first?
Oh God, Emma, what happened?
New surgeon arrived. There's a chance to bring her back.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wait, what's the bad news?
Her condition has worsened. It's life-threatening.
No, please. Live, Emma. Please, live. Hold on, Emma, I'm coming! Please, doctor, you have to help her now.
We need your consent before proceeding.
Please read and sign this document.
What do you mean by I understand all risks? What risks?
She's very weak. We can't promise anything.
Please, just save her. She is my love. I need her. I'm here, Emma. Stay with me.
We're taking her in now.
Please let her survive. Please.
It's done.
Tell me, how is she? Is she alive?
She made it. She's awake. Subscribe to Ronatik to have more such stories.
Emma, you're back.